Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to stop Messenger from opening on startup in a Windows 11 operating system. It is a very simple problem and I give the simple solution. I give the multiple solution to solve this problem. So let's go to our video. First solution is very simple. Just go to the start, right click on the start and just click on the task manager. Just click on the task manager. Okay. In task manager, just go to the startup. Here we find startup. Okay. Here we find messenger. Just click on the messenger. If it's unable, then disable it. Just select this and just click on the disable and it is disabled from the startup. Okay, now close it. Now just restart our machine and our problem is solved. The next solution is very simple. Just remove our messenger from our startup folder. That is very simple. Just go to the start and just type run. Just type run and just click on the run. Okay, now here just type shell 2 dots then the startup. Just type like this. Okay, I give this in the link also. Okay, now just click on the okay. Now here you find, if you find at here messenger shortcut, then just select that and delete that. Okay, now just close it and just restart your machine. That is our second solution. The third solution is very simple. Just go to the settings and disable from the app. Okay, now just go to start and just type settings. Just go to the settings. Okay, now just go to the apps. Just go to the apps. Just go to the startup. Here we find startup. Just go to the startup. Okay, here you find some folder, some softwares. Now just find our messenger. If it's on just like that, then just off it. Just off the messenger. Then just close our settings. Now restart our machine and our problem is 110% solved. So guys, this is the multiple solution to stop messenger from opening on startup in a Windows 11 operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.